Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I thought I'd show you how I clean my makeup brushes. And what you'll need is some olive oil, paper towels, and Dawn. And the first thing I do is put paper towels in the bottom of my sink because I don't want oil going down my drain. And then I just fold up the paper towels and put olive oil on the paper towel and let it soak in. And the first thing I do is rub my makeup brush into the oil. And I try to do these Saturday or Sunday so that my brushes are fresh for the rest of the week. This one I have a little bit of a hard time with because it's flat and I don't want to ruin the shape of the brush because I really like this. And once this starts to get filled up, you just turn it over and you've got the rest. The pouncer brush, this can be a little tough. But it always turns out really nice when I'm done. My fluffy brush, my favorite brush for eyeshadow. This gets rid of all the harsh lines and the different colors. And after I get done doing all these, I'll end up washing out all my eyeshadow brushes. And these are all going to be ready for Monday morning. Okay, after you have the makeup all out of your brushes and the oil is in there, you want to get water warm. And I'm laying paper towels out on the side so I can let them air dry. And they will dry overnight. Usually it doesn't take overnight. And just get a little bit of that Dawn. And then I'm going to lay it on that paper towel so that it's kind of hanging over the sink so it's at an angle. And I'm going to repeat the same with all the brushes. Oops. Just to stay up there, little brush. And I tried cleaning them with just the Dawn, but the brushes don't seem to last as long. They get dried out, and they don't feel quite as soft. Boy, these things just look absolutely brand new. Too hot. Yeah, brand new. And these are my blush and contour brushes. This is my foundation brush. It's a Revlon, and I love this thing. And the tips are nice and wet again. And there they are all lined up. And they're all hanging over the sink so that they will drain. And it's that easy to wash your brushes, make them last longer, and get rid of bacteria. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.